Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal chandelier lamp. So what you'll need some of this floral diamond wrap, and this is from Efavormart. You'll need some of these teardrop pendants, and these are crystal pendants, also from Efavormart. And then you'll need some of these crystal chandelier strands, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some Bling Wrap. This Bling Wrap is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What you'll need from Dollar Tree: you're going to need one of these glass hurricanes. You'll need one pack of these Tealight holders. And you're going to need one champagne flute. And it can really be any champagne flute from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create this beautiful crystal chandelier lamp. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this Glam crystal chandelier lamp turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. You can light this with either tea lights, or you can light it with fairy lights. Anything that fits down inside the champagne flute itself could be used to light the lamp. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos. Please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.